We just spoke about whether or not asphalt maintenance is the right career for you. Today we're going to talk about whether or not your area is the right area to start an asphalt maintenance company. You see, in your area you have all kinds of different asphalt pavement assets. You've got driveways, you've got roads, you've got school parking lots, you've got hospital parking lots, restaurant parking lots, you've got hotel, motel parking lots, you've got golf courses. You have pavement literally everywhere. It is an asphalt jungle out there after all. When you drive down the road, now that you've watched this video, I know that you're going to see asphalt pavement very differently than you did before you saw this video. You see, and this is how we determine whether or not your local market is an absolute opportunity for you. So why don't you go out and take a drive? Take a drive through residential neighborhoods. Take a look at the driveways. See what condition they're in. See whether or not they're gray and faded because the sun has oxidized the oils out of the asphalt and made them solid and fragile. Check them out. Check the parking lots out. Are parking lots gray and oxidized? Is there cracks on those pavement assets that could be sealed to prevent water from getting in and eroding the foundation, causing potholes and depressions? Are the parking lines faded on parking lots? Is your area saturated with other competitors? Take a look on Yelp, take a look online, take a look on Facebook, take a look on Google, and find out if your local market is saturated with contractors. And once you determine whether or not it is saturated, are they doing a good job? In other words, would your competition be professional? Are they branding their company properly? Do they have professional grade equipment? Do they have great customer reviews on their website and on Google and on Facebook? Basically determine whether or not your market has an opportunity for you to put yourself into to create the freedom that you deserve in your life. Your competition that's out there right now is usually competition that haven't been trained and fine-tuned by companies like ours that work with you to build professional, successful companies. That's what we do with you. You see, our goal when we're building a business with you is to make sure that not only are you getting the equipment and supplies you need, that's simply a byproduct in creating success for yourself. The true success comes through professional branding. The true success comes through sales strategies so that you know how to present the value to your customers that end up converting them into long-time, lifetime customers for you. Having your truck cleaned and your wheels polished are things that allow you to show and present your business that you are professional. Do you have proper branded t-shirts? Do you have business cards? Are you giving proposals and estimates to your clients that are not just scribble-scratched, but instead fine-tuned and based upon templates that we've tested and proven in our company along with the hundreds of customers that we've helped start their very own business with? These are things that we'll work with you on, and we're excited to be working with you on this adventure. You see, it's never easy when you're in the fog trying to figure this out all on your own. We've gone through that learning curve. And again, we've helped hundreds of people do it, just like you. So we're excited to be a part of this journey and move on to the second stage right here of determining whether or not your market can accept you as the next professional company to absolutely protect pavement assets in your neighborhood. Next, we'll talk about exactly how you're going to get started with your very own business.